In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or update your logo in Calendly. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so that your booking pages look polished and on brand. First, open your web browser and go to your Calendly dashboard. If you're not already signed in, log into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, you should see your main scheduling view with your event types and calendar options. This is your home base inside Calendly, and from here we'll move into the branding area. Next, look to the very top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile section there. This might be an avatar, your initials, or a small profile photo. Click on that profile area to open a drop-down menu. This menu is where Calendly keeps all your personal and account settings, including the options that control how your scheduling pages look to invitees. From that drop-down menu, click on the option labeled Branding. This will take you to a dedicated branding page. Give it a second to load and you'll see settings related to your visual identity, such as your logo and sometimes color choices. This is the place where you manage how your Calendly pages appear to anyone booking time with you. On the branding page, look for the area that allows you to set a logo. You'll see a button that says Upload Image. Go ahead and click that. A file picker window will open on your computer. Navigate to the folder where your logo file is stored, select the image you want to use, and confirm the upload. For best results, choose a clear, high-resolution image, ideally a square or close to square, so it displays nicely. Once your image finishes uploading, Calendly will usually show you a preview. Check that the logo looks correct and isn't cut off or blurry. When you're happy with how it appears, click on the Apply button. This tells Calendly that you want to use the specific image as your logo. Finally, don't forget to save your work. Look for the Save Changes button on the page and click it. This is what actually commits the new logo to your account. After saving, your updated logo will appear on your scheduling pages and invitations going forward, giving your Calendly links a more professional and consistent look.